Today, I want to guide you through something simple, powerful, and life-changing. English speaking practice for beginners. If you feel shy, nervous, slow, or unsure when you speak, this lesson is for you. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a big vocabulary. You only need a little courage and daily practice. In this lesson, I will talk to you like a real teacher, like I am right beside you. We will repeat, imagine real conversations, and build confidence step by step. Remember, English is not about being perfect, it is about communicating, connecting, and expressing yourself. Relax, breathe, and listen carefully. Repeat after me when you can. This journey is for you. Chapter 2. Why daily practice matters. Beginners often think they must study for hours, memorize hundreds of words, or finish big grammar books before they can speak. But speaking doesn't grow from books alone. Speaking grows from repetition. When you practice every day, even for 5 minutes, your mouth, your brain, and your ears begin working together. Words become easier, sentences become smoother. Your thoughts begin to move in English, not just your notes. Daily practice trains your confidence. It teaches your brain, I can do this. Even small practice builds strong results over time, like exercising your muscles. So instead of waiting until you feel ready, start speaking now, slowly, gently, without fear. Progress loves consistency. Chapter 3. Simple sentences you can use every day. Let's begin with easy daily English. These sentences are short, natural, and useful in real life. Listen to them as if you are living inside them. Imagine waking up and saying, "Good morning, I am ready for today." Imagine going outside and saying, "Hello, nice to see you." Imagine asking someone, "How are you?" and hearing them reply, "I am fine, thank you." These sentences seem small, but they are powerful because they build fluency. When you use them repeatedly, they become automatic. You don't think, you simply speak. And that is exactly what beginners need. Automatic sentences that help the tongue move and the brain relax. Chapter 4. Daily Practice Routine. Here is a simple daily routine you can follow. First, listen. Spend 1 or 2 minutes listening to English, a video, a podcast, or even this lesson. Do not worry about understanding every word, just listen. Then repeat. Choose 2 or 3 sentences and say them out loud. Not in your head, but with your voice. After that, create your own version. If the sentence is, "I am learning English," change it to, "I am learning every day." If the sentence is, "I am tired," change it to, "I am busy today." Finally, speak about your life. Describe what you are doing. Say things like, "I am cooking," "I am writing," "I am watching." With just 5 to 10 minutes each day, your speaking ability slowly transforms. Chapter 5. Overcoming fear. Fear is the biggest enemy of English learners. Not grammar, not vocabulary, but fear. Many beginners stay silent because they are afraid of mistakes, afraid of people laughing, afraid of sounding strange. But mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns something new. Think of a child learning to walk. The child falls again and again, but the child never says, "I am bad at walking." Instead, the child keeps trying. That is exactly how English works. Speak wrong, speak slowly, speak imperfectly, but speak. Little by little, confidence replaces fear. Chapter 6. Real-Life Beginner Practice. Imagine we are standing together in a shop. The worker asks you, "Can I help you?" Instead of freezing or staying silent, you say, "Yes, please. I want bread." Simple, short, clear. Imagine someone says, "Excuse me," and you answer, "Yes?" Imagine someone asks, "Do you understand?" and you say, "A little, but I am learning." These are real, everyday sentences that make communication possible. You don't need long speeches. You need courage to say small, useful lines. These everyday interactions slowly build your speaking muscle until one day conversations feel natural instead of stressful. Chapter 7. Questions and Answers Practice. Let's train your brain with simple question and answer practice. Imagine I am asking and you are answering confidently. When I ask, "What is your name?" you say, "My name is Daniel." If I ask, "Where are you from?" you answer, "I am from Ethiopia." If I say, "Do you speak English?" you reply, "A little, but I am learning." These answers are easy, but they build rhythm. They teach you how real English conversation flows. And when your brain learns that rhythm, your fear begins to disappear because speaking feels familiar. Chapter 8. Exercises. Here is your speaking exercise. First, listen to a sentence. Second, repeat it. Third, change one word to talk about yourself. For example, "I am learning English." Repeat it. Then change it, "I am learning English every day." Another example, "I am busy." Repeat. Then change, "I am busy with my homework." The goal is not fast speaking. The goal is confident speaking. Repeat until the words feel smooth in your mouth. Do this daily and you will feel progress faster than you expect. Chapter 9. Homework. Your homework for this week is simple and powerful. Every day, speak for 5 minutes, even if nobody is listening. Talk to yourself about your life. Describe your room, your clothes, your breakfast. Say, "I am sitting. I am watching. I am listening. I am thinking." If you can, record your voice. Listen after 1 week. You will notice improvement. Clearer pronunciation, stronger rhythm, more confidence. The more you speak, the more natural English becomes. Chapter 10. Final Message. Remember this. Learning English is not about speed. It is about patience, practice, and bravery. You are not too late. You are not too slow. You are not bad at English. You are learning, and learning is powerful. Keep practicing daily. Use simple sentences. Repeat often, and celebrate small progress. I am proud of you for being here, listening, and trying. Your English journey has already begun, and with daily practice, your future confidence will surprise you.